After you've mastered the documents that create an LLC, you've filed them with the Texas Secretary of State, and you've received your EIN confirmation letter from the IRS, there's one very complex document that you must understand or it can cause big problems, and that is the company agreement, also called the operating agreement or partner agreement. This document could make or break the business, and with the next 2 minutes, I'm going to tell you about how they work. My name is Matt Zimmerman. I'm a Texas attorney who helps Texas entrepreneurs start businesses the right way by creating a Texas business entity and registering with the IRS so that they protect themselves and their families, they qualify for the tax benefits afforded to business owners, and they don't waste their time and money. After a business entity is created, the company agreement is everything, and it is so often overlooked. The company agreement lays out the terms that govern the behavior of the people that will work in furtherance of the business, which may include partners, members, managers, and officers. As you can imagine, when a business is being formed, there are many questions that need an answer, like, what kind of business will this be? A restaurant, a rent house, a school, a retail shop? And will the business be limited to always being of this certain kind? And who are the governing persons of the business? What are their powers? Who will have the power to make big decisions for the business? What even is a big decision? Will the governing persons have to vote on every transaction? What is the weight to be afforded to each governing person's vote? Many of these questions are fairly easy to answer, but then there are more difficult questions like, will the partners in the business owe each other a duty of loyalty, meaning they cannot start other businesses? Or is it okay for a partner to start another business, just not one that directly competes with this business? Also, what if the actions of one partner cause the business to be sued? Does that partner owe a duty to the business or other partners of indemnity, meaning he accepts full responsibility for that liability? Like I said, these questions can be difficult to answer, but even when they are answered, they can be harder to articulate in a written document. But don't worry, when there is a company agreement that's not in writing or needs amending, you can do that if all of the interested persons sign a new agreement. In fact, every time an organization adds or removes a governing person, the remaining governing persons should sign a new company agreement with the help of an attorney. If you'd like more information about company agreements or answers to any other questions related to creating a Texas business entity, I encourage you to click the link below and download my free guide, 5 Secrets to Launch a Profitable Business Now. It's short and to the point and addresses the major issues my clients want to know about when starting their first or next business venture.